In this video, we'll look into how to browse for classes and create plans in the Banner Plan Ahead feature. Please note that you should plan to review your DegreeWorks degree evaluation prior to moving to the Plan Ahead stage in Banner. We have 2 videos dedicated to how to access and view your DegreeWorks plan, as well as how to understand your degree evaluation on our YouTube channel. Please make sure to watch those videos and meet with your academic advisor before you move on to this stage so that you'll know which classes you should be planning for in this video. First, we're going to look at how to search for classes in Banner and add them to our plan. To start, press Plan Ahead on the main menu. Select the term that you're planning for and click Continue. For now, we're going to start by creating a new plan. Here in advising, we recommend creating at least 3 different plans so that you have backup schedules ready to go on registration day. To actually search for classes, you'll want to reference your DegreeWorks plan or other list of classes that your academic advisor has recommended you register for. We suggest starting with critical classes that you need to take in next semester in order to build your schedule around the core classes. When you're ready to get started, click Create New Plan. On this screen, you can start to search for classes by choosing the academic subject. So for example, if your advisor listed Math 201 as a critical class to plan for, you can click on the subject field and start to search for the mathematics department by typing in math. Find the correct subject from the drop-down and click. If you wanted to see all of the math classes, I could go ahead and click search and find Math 201 from this list. Or if I know the exact course number, like in this case, I can type in 201, click search, and identify the course here. There are also more advanced search features in Banner, such as how to search by requirement or time. We have other videos in our Registration Reels series that you can watch to learn more about how to do that, but for now, we're just going to do a regular search. Now on this page, you can see the specific course that you're looking for. You'll see the course subject, number, title, and hours, which is how many credits the class is worth. If you click on the title of this course, you will see more information like a full course description, and any relevant prerequisites will be listed at the end of the course description. It's extremely important to check prerequisites for all courses so you can ensure you're eligible for the classes in your plan. To see the different sections that are offered for each course, click View Sections. This will bring you to a list of the specific sections for that one course you clicked on. This is where you can see the days, times, CRN, and instructor if assigned, and how many seats are available in the course. In the meeting times column, the days that the course is scheduled to meet will be highlighted in blue with the course time to the right. So for example, this first course meets Tuesdays and Fridays from 2:20 to 3:35 p.m. The status column will show how many total seats are available in the course and how many seats are currently remaining for registration. If a course is full, it will be marked with the red exclamation point, say full, and have 0 seats remaining in the class. Please note that classes may change their capacity at different points in the registration process, so you still may be able to add a course that says full if additional seats are added. A good way to check if this is the case is by checking the capacity of the course. If it says something like 0 of 35 seats remaining, it means the course is actually full. But if it says something like 0 of 5 or 0 of 10 seats available, it means that there may be additional seats added and you could still add the course to your plan. The only way to check for sure if a class has open seats is to check the capacity right when you're about to register. So once you have found a section that you like and that has open seats, you can go ahead and click the Add button to the right of that course. This immediately brings up 2 additional panels, the weekly schedule view on your left and your list of planned courses on the right. We'll dive more into those in the next video. But for now, we would want to return to the search menu to continue to add classes to our plan. To go back, click Catalog Search Results and then the green Search Again button. The next class I'm going to try to add is Accounting 204. So I can search for the accounting department, find 204, and then click View Sections. Find an open section, click Add, and you'll want to double check that the sections you're adding don't overlap in day and time. Complete this process until you have the right number of classes in your plan as was recommended by your academic advisor. It's usually 5 classes per semester, but that may vary from semester to semester. In the next video, we'll review how to save and review your plans for registration.